Fresh small business concepts in the United Kingdom. Do you wish to launch the business in the upcoming year? UK, and perhaps you don't just have the right idea? Then welcome to this video, because today we're going to look at new small business ideas you can start in the UK that have low risks but very, very high profits. If you're ready, then I'm ready to start. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Number 10. The demand for teaching English online. Fresh concepts for small businesses in the United Kingdom. If you are a fluent English speaker and have a reliable internet connection, you may capitalize on the increased need for teachers by starting an online English teaching company this year. Video editing. 9. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine, just behind Google? This proves that there are many people who require video editing services since video consumption is on the rise. Professional review services are at position 8. You may engage in activities like evaluating new goods or services, reading a book, and creating evaluations for them, all of which in turn aids other prospective buyers in making a decision. Number 7. Carer. If you have nursing experience or you just enjoy working with people, you can make a business out of this. However, keep in mind that you might need to get certified by a recognized body to provide personal care to individuals. Number 6. Landscaping, also known as lawn care, refers to the altering and upkeep of the visible aspects of a plot of land. Its practitioners are in charge of bringing out the best in living things like flowers and grass to create a space that is aesthetically pleasing, both trees up to 2025. The lawn care industry is anticipated to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 4.5%. The 5th. Best personal shopper. Help individuals who lack the time to shop for themselves to convert your store or Holly Frenzy into a viable business enterprise. The best part is that you need almost nothing to get started. All you really need is a passion for shopping. Next, you can start to scale up by creating a website to market your business. Number 4. By talking to as many people as you can and letting them know that you can assist them with their purchasing needs. Learn handyman skills if you want to constantly mend items around the house. This you have a business potential if you use a website to advertise your company. A handyman can easily make from $0 to $1,000 per day just fixing things around the house. So why not try it out? Many homes have plumbing, electrical, and other issues. If you're good at fixing any or some of these problems, then this business idea for you is a great one to start with. Through word of mouth, you can let your neighbors know that you're a handyman and they will always call you when there is an issue around their home. Number 3. Home tuition in 2022. You might consider trying your hand at this little, original company concept. What's great is that you may physically or virtually offer this sort of service. And you can instruct students in almost any subject. Second-hand crafted crafts, math, economics panel, etc. If you are good at making meetings, beaded bags, shows, or other valuable crafts, think about selling them on websites like Etsy. You can also offer house and pet sitting services because people are traveling more and more, which increases the demand for home and pet care while people are away. Additionally, long-term vacations are becoming more and more common. So even though you might be able to leave your house unattended, you should still consider doing so. If you feel like starting a company, house sitting and pet sitting are both fantastic options. Go out there and earn some money. Alright guys, but before you start any of the ideas mentioned in this video, I just want to advise you that you need to be passionate about the one you picked. There are many ideas like the ones this video just mentioned, but the one you pick should really speak to you. For example, I'm a YouTuber. And I like the idea you can be if you're not truly enthusiastic about the notion you are going to. You understand what I'm doing because I love YouTube.
It will be very difficult for you to choose, so just make sure that you are passionate about it, stay consistent with the idea, and put in the work. And I guarantee you that of course you are going to start making money very, very soon. It won't be simple, and the money won't come right away, but you must keep going, you must keep hustling. You must keep pushing, and if you do this, you will succeed. I simply want you to know that you will begin generating money from the concept you choose in next to no time. In the comment area below, you may also let me know which concept you think makes the most sense to you. I would really love to know if I was able to help you with any of your business ideas, and if I did, I would be extremely happy if you could simply leave the idea you chose there. I want you to go to the channel right away since it is all about business, luxury, and the wealthiest individuals. When you do, you'll see there are several other ideas and films located throughout end screen. All in all, check them out right away. Furthermore, don't leave this video without subscribing, like it, and leaving a comment for your buddy. I'll be back tomorrow with more business ideas for you.